Hi Divas, I have a dreamer design for you today. It's beautiful. It's still in stock, and I got it with the Black Friday sale and the sale price afterward. It's one I had on my wish list for a while. So, this is called Eternal by Anne-Marie Bone, and it is an 80 by 80 square. I like Dreamer Design boxes because they have the picture on the end and I don't have to go out of my way to try to find a picture. But I really would love a separate little sticker to put in my notebook to what I still need to do. I love that they come in these little bags and pretty purple lavender ribbon. Here we go. Oh, gorgeous! It's a big one, guys. It is gorgeous. It's called Eternal by Anne-Marie Bone. 60 by 60. And it is a round. It's a round painting. Let me roll it the opposite way to show you. It is a poured blue. Rolling it the opposite way relaxes it and helps it to lay flat when I show you. Okay, Anne-Marie Bone is noted for her use of light and her saturated colors. She uses very saturated colors. I think it's beautiful. Obviously, the eternal part is, the focal point is right here in the center of the canvas. It's like someone coming through from heaven. Someone, some ethereal being. An angel maybe, coming to visit. I like the thick plastic covering. By the way, I do have a 15% off of Dreamer Design kits in a link in my description. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a few pennies back from them. So if you'd like to use that, I would love it if you would. Dreamer Designs is one of my favorite companies. One of my favorite companies because I love their designs. Okay, so, and we have the waterfall coming through, and we have the beautiful pink trees, and the green, and then we have purples down in the bottom. So let's see, first of all, what their kit looks like. You get this flannel baggie. Oh, it's so soft. Hey, if you go on trips, you can use these to put your jewelry in. So that they don't get scratched up in your luggage. These are just beautiful little fuzzy bags. Love them. Come on out here. Okay, you do get a bag of baggies. Can I bring it in a little bit here? You get a bag of baggies. You get 2 pens. One for the ABs, it's a plastic tip, and the plain copper tip, and 2 purple squishies to be better on your hands. You get 2 multi-placers. You get a 2 and a 5, and it's a thick 5. I don't really use these much. I wish they would, go to the 4 and the 7, and then have them the skinnier ones or something like that. But they do give you a straightener to use. They give you 2 pots of their purple wax. Very nice. Always use those. They give you, even with the round kits, they give you a tweezers. They give you a nice sharp pointy tweezers, and they're nice sturdy points. And they give you a tray with a divider. So you can do 2 colors at a time if you're so inclined. And it has a spout, a pop-down spout on the end to help you put them back in the bags. Beautiful, beautiful. That's what the kits in Dreamer Design look like. They give you an instruction sheet that also has some discount codes in it and a thank you note and 15% off your next purchase in there. I like they give you 15. And then they give you all their social media at the bottom. They give you a sticker sheet, and yes, they are individual stickers. Be careful when you straighten them out, because sometimes they like to pop off of here. I don't know what type of glue are under here, but when you unroll it, sometimes they do like to pop off of the page here. These are all individual stickers that you can put anywhere you want, and then you have a larger one that describes the painting that you can use in a notebook, like a finishing notebook for it. Okay, and it gives you the sequence number, the symbol, and the DMC color code number. This one has all the ABs at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Aurora Borealis colors. Yes! And we will find all of them in here out of 56 colors. And again, they are wonderful drills. These are all round. And they, as opposed to some companies, these are done, it's so easy to kit up because they are in numerical order. In the way they are in the sequence here is the way that they come together. So let me cut these apart. Also, that means that all your Aurora Borealis are going to be at the end, easy to find. So let me get this situated and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I can show you the colors. They do have the DMC color number on the baggie as well, as you can see. I mean, they're easier to see from the back because there's nothing in the way to show you the color. So I will show you the strips. It's very hard to see this way, the numbers, but hopefully there's enough color in the packet here that you can see the colors as it, oh, isn't that gorgeous? The purple. Love it. It's one of my favorite purples. Okay. And yes, there's greens and golds and grays. And there's a little bit of black or dark brown. But it is a forest scene, so what do you expect? Okay. I'm not showing them to you in numerical order, so to speak, but oh, look at that purple. Can you tell I like purple? Look at those purples. Oh. Lovely. And let's see. Greens. Oh man, that's the 550 purple. Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh, look at that fuchsia, that hot pink, man. Talk about saturated colors. These pinks are popping. The pinks are popping. Yellows and golds. Oh, I love them. I love yellow. It's one of my favorite colors. These you really can't see too well, the color, but they're browns. Blue, like a dusty blue, a blackish, and then a chartreuse. Not really a chartreuse, it's kind of a khaki type. Let me put these away, and I'll show you the specials. How they get the drills in the bag so nicely, I'll never know. Okay, so here is your ABs. You have a green, and AB means Aurora Borealis. They have a special, like, a rainbow coating on them that reflects the colors, and it's a special shine. Okay, and I'll show you in a moment where they go on the canvas. Alright, so let's go find them on the canvas. So the little purple ones, that is the symbol. Okay, that is like a window, like a half-open window. There's so much traffic outside. I do apologize. I neglected to tell you that the canvas is a very soft back. It's got a pinked and poked edge, like I like to call it. It's like decal cut and like poked with a sewing machine needle that's empty of thread, and that's to prevent the fraying on it. It does have a thumbnail at the top and all the information that you need, and it has two legends, one on either side. I'd love it if one were upside down, because sometimes you do them upside down as you're doing them, or sideways or something. The only purples that I could find, these little purples, there are not many of them, so I guess so, are down here in this bush right here. Interesting. So now let's look for the green. There's more of those, so I should be able to find them. That is the letter K. They're in this bush right here. Found them right away. They're in these bushes down here. And let me see if there are any up at the top here. Yes, they're in the leafy greens at the top of the painting as well. That's where the letter K's are. Yes. That's where those greens are, okay? There's some at the very, very bottom as well. Some down here at the very, very bottom as well. So it's mostly on this side, it looks like. The next two are the orange and the pink. Let's look for the orange. That's the letter A. I see these in the bushes here. I see it in this tree and up at the top. And I see them in this pink tree, scattered all over the pink tree. I see them scattered all over the orange bushes. So we're seeing it spread out. We're seeing the right down here at the very, very bottom as well. We're seeing them spread out all over the canvas here. Beautiful. Sprinkling all around. So then we have the pink. A little bit of the pink. They might be harder to find. They have the little anchors. Nope, they're scattered in here. They're scattered in the bush right here. They're scattered in the tree. Yep, they're scattered in part of the tree as well. So we have that on these two sections right up in here. That's the pink and orange. And the last two, let's find a little bit of this kind of like a mustard yellow. That is the check mark. Okay, I see two check marks here. I see some check marks dotted in the, around the center area, and dotted in the shine area here. Let's see, do I see them anywhere else? No. No, they're pretty much right around the light, the yellowish part of the light. Right down below. Okay, so then the white, obviously, is all this glory in the center here. There are spots where it shines off of the tree over here. There's spots right down in here in the water and bubbling through the bottom of the water. Let me bring it up just a little bit for you. Come on, let go. Let go. Yep, you have bubbles. You have the dots of the bubbles, and then it spreads out across the very bottom. It spreads out these little white bubbles like across the very bottom. The whole painting looks like you've got this ethereal, like angelic, heavenly presence here. It's shining against the bright pinks and greens, and then it's flowing down into the water, and then it's spreading out. And it's glistening off of the nature around it. It is beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. It is a 80 by 60 centimeter, which is a 31 by 23 inches, 31.5 by 23.6 inches. It's called Eternal from Anne Marie Bone. It is saturated color. It's gorgeous. It's glistening. And you can get 15% off if you click the link below. Also, you do have a lifetime protect warranty. Your diamond canvas kit comes with a lifetime warranty and free missing diamond protection from Dreamer Designs if you email support@dreamerdesign.com. They also have a Facebook group that you can join, and they have a really good community over there. All right, so let me know if you have a Dreamer Design kit, which one you're working on, and I'd love to know. If you'd like to support this channel, there are several ways to do so. You can like and subscribe. That is the biggest way and freest way to support the channel. You may also click the link below for the YouTube membership, and that is a little bit of monthly donation. If you'd like to see my channel continue, you might consider doing that if you can. I don't want anybody supporting a channel monetarily if you cannot do that. Please do not feel obligated. But it's there if you'd like to, and you may even get a special card or gift in your birthday month if I have your birthday month. All right, or you can do a one-time gift of buying me a pot of tea. The links are down below in the description. All right, thank you, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye, Divas.